they lose some family members in the process. Some may have gone with a crime and they lose some. You know, some just in crime in the ghetto. The ghetto is always crime because of that thing there. How about joy in the ghetto? What you could do to produce joy in the ghetto? Because if the ghetto suddenly has joy, if it has so much crime, then it will be tears of joy. And you know, it's an above and beyond all of that. You see, people are like, we're not looking for your money to buy a 911 Porsche or Panama Road. Where's that? They're looking at money to get married, to be able to buy and put music, certain music loud on the road to the family. Go to theater.
Someone living up there?
Yeah.
And they try to buy
That's somebody living up here too, for sure. Yeah.
They do that.
Okay, 0.5 kilometers.
And once they're little happy, it's hard to get them when they look into court to tell them go and do wrong because they like where they're going right now. But when they want to go in the court and they had a girlfriend and son, you move the whole love from out under them, wait for the go to tie by $1. They have a pretty girlfriend, but the girlfriend has expectation. And you can't fulfill any, then Shani Sam, when someone married, they go in there looking for home. So you have a nice girlfriend. It's not your fault to try and say the guy but nobody will have it. But you want to lose your girlfriend. What you going to do? Somebody come and pull a car around the corner and say, I'm going to what are you going to do? You might say no to faces. You might say, maybe the second day. The third day he's there with bandana or whatever, everything they're not doing. And they get him on a fight one. They put him in front of the heat of the battle. Right? And you must be able to sit on top of it. Being able to foresee all of these things and come up with a solution.
Uh-huh.